In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can find your deleted history in YouTube. If this helps you out, drop a like on the video. That helps the channel, and let's get into it.
So first, open your YouTube app on your iPhone, and then you have to simply click this profile icon on the bottom right corner. And once you're on this page, you have to click this settings gear on the top right corner, and it's going to bring you to this page. On this page, you have to click Manage All History under the Account section. Once you click this option, it's going to just pop up with this page and you have to wait for it to load. Once this page loads, simply click Controls over here. And then it's going to bring you to this page over here. Now make sure you turn on this option over here in the sub settings that says include the YouTube videos that you watch. Simply click this box over here and turn it on. Mine is already on. You simply have to click it and turn it on. And then toggle on to your history section by clicking history over here. Once you do so, it's going to bring you to this page, and here you can see all your history of the YouTube videos that you have watched. And that's how you do it.